Hi, Owen. I hope you had a good Monday yesterday. Today, I want to talk about two problems in your math work yesterday that were a little bit trickier. So one of them is number 10, if you look at the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to read it to you, and we're going to figure out how to get the right answer together. It says, blue paper chains are 4 inches long. Red paper chains are 3 inches long. How many are needed to have 10 inches of paper chains? So let's write down what we already know. I know that blue paper chains are 4 inches. So I'm going to write blue is 4. I know that red paper chains are 3 inches. So I'm going to write red is 3. And now I need to figure out what the question is. What do I need to figure out? It says, how many are needed to have 10 inches of paper chains? So how many blues and how many reds are going to add up to 10 inches? So what we have to do is guess and check. Let's pick a couple to put together and see if we can get 10 inches. So first thing I'm going to try is 2 blues and 1 red. So let's see what happens if I do 2 blues and 1 red. So 1 blue is 4. If I want to figure out what 2 blues are, I will do 4 plus 4. And then if I think that 1 red is going to give me 10 inches, I'm going to add 3 for that red. So let's add those up and see if I get 10 inches. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 equals what? 11. So, did 2 blues and 1 red give us 10 inches? No. So, I need to try again. I'm going to erase and try a different combination. Okay. This time, I'm going to try 1 blue and 2 reds. So, I'm going to do 1, 4, because my 1 blue is 4 inches long, and I'm going to add 2 reds. So, 3 plus 3. Let's see if we get 10 doing it that way. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 equals 10. So did I get 10 inches in the end? Yes. So what combination did I use? I used 1 blue and 2 reds. So your answer for number 10 should be 1 blue paper chain and 2 red paper chains. That one was tricky. All right, now let's look at the next page. All right, let me go to the next one. Number 11. This one was very similar to the last one we just did. So let me erase my board and try the next one. Okay. Number 11 said, blue paper chains are 8 inches long. Red paper chains are 6 inches long. How many are needed to have 22 inches of paper chains? Well, let's organize our information just like we did the last one. So blue are how long? 8. So I'm going to write blue and 8 because they're blue ones are 8 inches. Red, how long are the red ones? 6. So I'm going to write red are 6. Now my question is asking how many are needed to have 22 inches of paper chains? Well, we're going to need to add them up to see if we can get 22 inches. Let's start with 2 blues and 1 red. Let's see how that works. So if 1 blue is 8 and I want 2, I'm going to do 8 plus 8. And if I want 1 red, I'm going to add 1, 6. Okay, let's add those together and see if we get 22. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 6, what do I get? Well, let's rewrite it. Up and down. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So, did I get 22 inches? Yes, that time I guessed it right the first time. That happens sometimes. So, what is my answer? How many blue chains and how many red chains did I do? I used 2 blues because they were 8 inches long, and I used 1 red. So your answer for this one should be 2 blue paper chains and 1 red paper chain. Owen, I hope you have a good day of school, and I will see you on Wednesday.